Daddy.
Yes, love.
When am I getting a sibling?
Pardon?
When am I getting a sibling?
When are you getting a sibling?
Yeah.
Wow. Ask mommy that question. Unalenga swali
When are we getting a sibling? Sibling.
Okay, it's
Daddy,
simple.
when are we getting a sibling?
Well, okay, it's simple. When do you want to get a sibling? When do you want to get a sibling?
When you're putting an exclamation mark there.
No, you're not putting exclamation mark.
What am I putting?
It's a question.
And why are you hugging my husband?
When do you want a sibling?
Why are you hugging my
Come
husband?
here.
Because he already hugging.
When do you want a sibling?
Me, I don't want a sibling.
You see, mommy, don't
You
want.
have to get one.
Mama, you know right now I'm busy.
Busy how?
I won't have time to give the sibling attention.
No.
But I can give the sibling attention.
Exactly, love.
But you're supposed to go to school.
I know, when I come back from school.
And who'll stay with the sibling during the day while you're at school and mommy's at work and daddy's also at work?
The nanny, right? The nanny, right? Exactly, love.
The auntie.
Yeah, so tumesema tunataka mtoto.
Wewe unataka?
Yeah.
Lini?
We're ready when you're ready.
You when do you want to get a sibling?
Next year. Next year but one. 2027.
No, next year, right?
Why 2027 and
Why?
not 2026?
Yeah.
Because 2026 is too soon. Like
No, love.
Okay.
Love. It only takes 9 months to get a baby, so next year, right? Yeah.
2027, okay?